Hey, Dave Oslin here. Hey, what do you do when you got a toilet over the months and the years has just quit running with the horsepower it had when you first put it in? Hey, I've got a possible $4 fix that'll get her up and running again for you. Your problem is very likely the lower supply hole that comes down in here and feeds water and blows everything out can get plugged up with buildup of sediment over the years. So what we're going to do is try to burn all that out of there. Let's flush it and see how it's working. Going pretty slow, hardly enough volume to do the job. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the water. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all the water in here by using a sponge and a Home Depot bucket. Okay, I've got 99% of the water out of there now. I've got a gallon of white vinegar, got it at Costco, probably $3 or something, not much. Okay, $3 fix. You put the vinegar in here, enough to fill most of that thing in and get in and around there. Now, if I can avoid using this toilet for a couple of days, I'm just gonna let that vinegar soak. You know how you can put a tarnished coin in some vinegar and it comes out of there slick clean in a matter of hours? That's what we're gonna do here. Okay, here we are 24 hours later with this white vinegar sitting in this toilet. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna turn on some water. It's gonna give a preliminary flush. Ooh, looking a lot better already. I'll let it refill and do it once more. Okay, final run on this toilet. We're gonna flush it. I'm gonna feel down under this hole here. Totally clean under there. We just rebuilt the horsepower of this car here. She's gonna run like it's supposed to. The $4 fix on this toilet.